Multimeter Quick Start video. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to quick start the multimeter.
The model 34450A comes with a fully ergonomic design with adjustable handle to suit your working needs. Let us start with powering up the multimeter. As you can see, the Agilent 34450A 5.5 digit multimeter comes with OLED screen with large digits for improved clarity. You can actually lock the front panel keys for added security. Press these keys to select your desired measurement function, while keys with multiple measurements will need to be toggled. Press these keys for statistics and analytics, and use the up, down, left and right arrow keys for navigation. The multimeter power-ups with auto-ranging. Press the up and down arrow key manually to increase or decrease the range. To exit manual ranging or activate auto-ranging, press Shift followed with the up arrow key. To use the dual display, start by pressing the second key followed by your desired secondary measurement function key. To control the secondary measurement, press the second button. The second annunciator shown on the screen indicates that the secondary measurement is being controlled. Then, you can change the measurement functions, range, or speed of the secondary function. Press the Shift key followed by the second key to turn off the secondary display. In this example, we will edit the reference value for dB function. Press the Math key to enable the Math function. Then, select dB and press Shift. Press Math to edit the reference value of the dB function. Use the left and right arrow key to select the digit which you want to edit and press the up and down arrow keys to change the value of the digits. Press Math to save the reference value and press the second key to exit. In this example, I will use the multimeter to show you how to measure a DC voltage. First, plug in our test leads to the inputs. Then, press DCV key to select the DC measurement and apply our test leads to the DC source. The screen display on the model 34450A here is a typical DCV measurement display. With this, I conclude the Agilent 34450A 5.5 digit multimeter quick start video. For more information, please visit www.agilent.com/find/34450A.